welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we will cover two topics, conduct of parties and character of parties. So let's get started and we will understand each topic from real life situations. So we have three situations and we will discuss each one of them one by one. So first is conduct of parties. So let's discuss through the situation. The first situation is behavior after an accident. After a car accident, one driver immediately called the police while the other tried to leave the scene. Now tell me, why might this conduct be important in court? The answer is the conduct shows intent and possible acknowledgement of guilt. The court might view the attempt to leave as suspicious behavior, suggesting responsibility for the accident. Let's discuss second situation. A defendant in a fraud case repeatedly tried to contact the victim to settle out of court. Now tell me, how might this conduct impact the court's view of the case? The conduct, the explanation is this conduct could be seen as an admission of guilt, especially if the defendant's attempts suggest they are trying to avoid trial. Such behavior can sometimes imply acknowledgement of responsibility, which the court might consider. Now, the third situation. Imagine a person accused of theft shows no reaction or doesn't deny it when confronted. Could this conduct matter? Yes. Silence or lack of denial might be seen as a form of indirect admission. This scenario helps you understand that sometimes the absence of reaction or conduct can imply guilt or acceptance. Now, let's understand our second topic, that is character of parties. Now, the situation is, imagine someone applies for a job and provides references to show they are honest and hardworking. Now, tell me, how does this relate to character? Because this shows character evidence, where people use past behavior to indicate traits like honesty, which might help in deciding their suitability for the job. In court, character evidence is often used to show a party's likely behavior in certain situations. Now we have second situation. A person is accused of assault. The prosecution wants to introduce evidence that the accused has a history of violent behavior. Now, why would the court consider this character evidence? Because because in criminal cases, evidence of previous aggressive conduct could indicate a likelihood of similar behavior. However, character evidence is carefully evaluated as it can unfairly prejudice the court's view of the accused. Now, the third situation is custody dispute. In a child custody case, both parents are arguing that they are better suited to raise the child. Would evidence showing their moral character and parenting style be relevant? Of course, because the court would consider each parent's character to decide what is in the child's best interest. This example helps illustrate when and why character evidence becomes important in legal decisions involving care or guardianship. This was all for today. If you want to watch if you want to learn, understand other topics also, you can check out in the description box and also in the playlist. Thank you.